All right. Hi, guys. Welcome. So, today I'm going to show you something about LinkedIn ads. Okay. I told you that you can run ads on across all social media, and today you're going to be learning where you can learn how to run ads on LinkedIn. Okay. So, this is an introduction to LinkedIn ads. LinkedIn is very much like Facebook. Okay. It's another social media platform owned by Microsoft, right? Microsoft owns LinkedIn. Okay, so if you learn how to run ads on Facebook, by default, you have already known how to run ads on LinkedIn. If you're familiar with Facebook interface, it's not much different with LinkedIn. So once you learn how to run ads on Facebook, eventually LinkedIn will be a piece of cake for you. So in this video, I'll be showing you the official website where LinkedIn has designed a course on how to teach people to run ads on LinkedIn. Let me repeat again. These platforms want people to run ads in their platforms. And now they have created another platform whereby they have designed a course to teach people how to run ads on LinkedIn. Okay, so without wasting further time, let me show you the link. And don't worry, as usual, I'll put this link in the resource section, and you can always the link will be always available to you, so that you can learn how to run ads by yourself. So if we copy this link, then we open a new tab. So let's go to the website, and then let's see what LinkedIn has in store for us, guys. I can assure you that not a lot of people know about this. Okay, not a lot of people knows about this. Look at this. This is called LinkedIn Marketing Labs, right? LinkedIn Marketing Labs. I'm opportune to have learned some of the courses in this section in this place, and I got certified in one of them. Okay, I got certified in one of them. So this is the official platform where LinkedIn, see, look at it, training.marketing.linkedin.com, okay, learning paths. So this is the official platform where LinkedIn will teach you how to run ads with their platform. Okay, so this is it, guys. You can always log in, you can always sign in here with your LinkedIn account. You can always sign in here. And then after signing in, it will be very easier for you to create ads here. Okay, you can create ads here, and it also have certifications. But the good thing about LinkedIn is that you don't have to pay money to be certified. You can learn their courses, write their exam, and if you pass their exam, you will be certified. Okay, you will be given a link for your certification. So this is it. So you see, creating your LinkedIn page, building an organic presence with LinkedIn pages, creative design for LinkedIn, video boosting with LinkedIn page. You see, all those introduction to LinkedIn ads, live workshop, introduction to LinkedIn ads. So these are things you watch. These are like mini videos and small text that you will look at, and then you get to learn. Okay, this is it. Look at the time here, 45 to 60 minutes. Look at this one, 60 minutes. You can take like a week, 3 days, 4 days tops. You'll be done with this. Look at this. This one is 2 minutes. This one is 40 minutes. Okay, using LinkedIn ad targeting, 45 to 60 minutes. Look at this one, 15 minutes. Campaign optimization tactics. Look at this one, 7 minutes. So improve my marketing campaign strategy. So this is it, guys. This is the official website where you can learn how to run ads on LinkedIn. So you can just learn these things. Most of these people who claim to be gurus, they don't know this website. They don't even know this. They don't even know how to learn ads. And the ones that do know this website are hiding it from people. But the intention of these platforms is not to hide these platforms from people, because they created it and made it free so that people will know about this, learn how to run ads, then come to their platform and run those ads. So though that is the aim, and that is exactly what I'm giving to you right now. So guys, I hope you understand this. I'll see you in the next model.